welcome back to your major scales unit of study. This is music theory. So if you're doing this, you are learning music theory language. This will prepare you for future more advanced units that I would like to do in the future after we've done this one. So let's get into it. Today we are doing D major. If we look at the circle of fifths, we've done C that had all natural notes. We did G that had one sharp. So D has two sharps. We have F sharp and C sharp. So these are the notes that we have on this scale. We have D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. If you remember from our last video, we have a finger pattern that applies to all major scales. So we're doing index, ring, index, middle, pinky, index, ring, pinky. And the scales will always end with ring and pinky together. So if you want to be extra fancy with these, what you can do is whichever fret you're starting on, like this, we're starting on 2nd fret, bar that. And then on A string, the one closest to the floor, leave 2 frets between the next pinky. So right now we're going to bar the 2nd and pinky on the 5th. So after you've played your scale, play that chord and that will be the major chord of your scale. So like this. How cute is that? And that will happen wherever you're at. So now let's look at the theory of this. If we are playing D major scale, then D major chord can be found in the scale using 1, 3, and 5. So this is the first time we have a sharp there. We have D, F sharp, and A. So if we play a D chord, let's test it. Do we have D's, F sharps, and A's? We should. First one, that's an A. And the way that we know that this is an A is that if we play our open string, it's the same. So we have 2 A's. So we better have a D and an F sharp in the middle. Well, this is a D. And if you don't know the scales, the chromatic scale yet, like C, if you have a clip-on tuner at the top, that will tell you which note you're playing. So far we have A, and D. Now let's go to E string. E, F, F sharp. We have the F sharp there. So this D shape has 2 A's, a D, and an F sharp. It qualifies, it's perfect, it's the D major chord. The printable for this lesson is absolutely free, so if you would like to support the channel in any way out of gratitude or just because you're enjoying it, there are several ways to do it. You can like this video, you can leave a comment, you can share it, or if you want to support in any other ways, you can also become a Patreon member, make a donation, or anything like that. All of the information on how to do that is on the screen and below the video. I hope that you will continue with this course of study. By the end, you will be a major scales nerd and ready and on your way to continue learning music theory. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Sayonara!